Hello! This morning we need to show you how to make a Halloween pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern that is called in Ireland. The material we need is a knife, a spoon, one marker, a candle, the pumpkin, and a bowl.
The first thing to do is to decide the model we want to choose for our pumpkin. Once we decided, we cut the upper part of our pumpkin as a leaf. Next, we cut all the pulp with the help of a spoon.
You have to be careful with the knife because the pumpkin skin is too hard. Now we start drawing our model, the eyes and the mouth. The nose is optional. In our model, the pumpkin has no nose.
After doing our model, we're going to empty the eyes with a sharp knife, and then we get some diabolic eyes. Next, we have to remove the skin which covers the teeth, and then we have a Halloween pumpkin.
Last, we put the light candle inside the pumpkin and close the lid. Then we turn the light off and we check how it works. Isn't it scary? We already have our Halloween pumpkin. Now it's time to go around the houses playing trick or treat and get our sweets.
Trick or treat!
Ha 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 ha!